You know what is so cute about this energy I'm getting? You are the gift that someone is so ready to unwrap. You know what I mean by this? Let me tell you what I mean by this. You are a type of person that the moment you let your guard down and let someone in will be the best thing that has ever happened to them. But for some of you, I'm getting you done created a wall around yourself, and it's very hard to get in to who, like, into your space, into your presence, into getting experiencing this love that you have. But I feel like you are calling in somebody, or you have somebody right now that knows that value that you hold. And I feel like they are so patient to just get the moment that you are ready to start getting unraveled. You know what I'm getting? Like when you have to soften something up and then it just start raveling on its own. I feel like that's what you're getting. You're getting someone to soften your heart, soften up this wall to where you start to just kind of like unravel on your own. I feel like you have somebody around you, or you're calling in somebody that is so patient for your love, because they know that your heart is the gift. They know the times that you are vulnerable is the gift. When you allowing someone to laugh with you, okay, to laugh with you, to be with you, to have moments when you just want your solitude but you actually want their company is the gift. I feel like the person who I'm talking to right now, you are somebody that love your alone time. So the moment that you even allow this person to be like, you know what, you can't come over, you can be in my space for some time. When I tell you, you're gonna have this person like yabba yabba do. What is that? What cartoon is that? Is that Scooby Doo? But I feel like that's just how happy you want to have them feeling, because they're gonna know, okay, she wants me in her space, and I know this is a woman who is letting me come into her company from not desperation, but the fact that she wants me here, honey. Mwah, the gift. You are the gift. Oh, we're gonna get into these cards because I'm feeling good. I feel like, yeah, I just won. You know what I'm saying? I want to go brag on something. I feel like that's how you gonna make this person feel, like they ready to go brag. You know, like they feel like they done went to another level where they done, stepped up to the next level of defeating this big old wall that you done, you know, protected yourself with. And I get it, my babe. I really do. I really do. But this person, when I tell you, they so patient and they so kind. I feel like this is such a kind spirit person. Wow, unwavering trust. Look at that. You see how she's like looking at him like, I want to let you in, and he's like, he's looking at her like, but I'm here whenever you're ready. That's why I'm feeling like he's on the side to where it's like, I'm here letting you know whenever you're ready to trust me, I'm here. Wow, I really love this. I feel like this is like a bond where building trust is going to be the key to unraveling you. I absolutely love this. This person to show that they are reliable. Okay. I feel like you're calling in somebody that is reliable. All right. Not somebody that is just here for the moment and gone whenever they quote unquote don't get their way. I'm also getting you testing this person to see just how much are you going to wait? How many times are you going to show up for me? You know? Because I feel like you know the power that you hold. You know that you are valuable. You know that you are the gift. I absolutely love this. Empowering love. Ooh. I feel like this person, they encourage you, and they encourage you to take your time. For some people, they can like try to rush it. They try to rush things. They try to like get you to get on board with what they want, or it's the highway. But I feel like I said, with this kind spirit, I feel like this person just, like, even with this unwavering trust card, it's just like they just understand that going your path, going your way would get them so much further in life when it comes to you. Okay? Doing things your way. What they say? Happy wife, happy life. Like that's what I'm getting this person lives by. Like just say yes, be there when she needs you to be. Show her that you are there and that you're not going nowhere. No matter how many side arrows she try to throw at you, Wow, it says passionate intimacy. That's definitely coming through as well. Or maybe that may be the gift they are patiently waiting on. The gift of being intimate with you. Wow. But I'm getting like also with intimacy, date nights, foot rubs while watching your favorite movies, things that doesn't even require sex. You know what I mean? I really love this. Times where y'all can communicate about things that y'all do desire. What are your fantasies without actually physically doing it? Just seeing how would he act, seeing how would things feel when we had this conversation. You know, are you opening up? But I just keep getting like this wall crumbling down around. I feel like this person just softening you up by the day. Oh man, I feel like they making you blush. They bringing you your flowers, your favorite food and candies. Okay, they want to mount your TVs, fix your refrigerator, whatever. Fill up your gas tank, mow your lawn. All right, they want to just let you know, like, honey, you can depend on me because I know that you are someone to have, and I ain't gonna let you go nowhere. They're not going to let you go nowhere, absolutely nowhere. Let me tell you something, support each other through difficult times. That's what I feel. You could even give this person like a hard time just to see how would they handle that. When you're not feeling your best self, when you are going through periods where you just completely want to be alone, how do they handle that? Ooh. And look at this, was at the bottom, protection. That's what I feel with this person. They protect you. They want you to know that they're here to protect you. Okay? I love that. And it's saying that I will always be around, even if you are setting boundaries. I also feel like with the boundaries that you do set, it makes them respect you a lot more. And to see a woman with boundaries is another thing that adds on to them seeing that you are such a gift. Wow. Look at that. New beginnings, hold me. Okay? I really feel like this is a love that it's like you take your time with it, because I feel like this is a love that y'all can grow old together with. All right? Really can grow old together with. Wow. I feel like you can feel that this person was someone that you was missing all this time, but it just took what they say, go through a few frogs to get to your prince, and I feel like now you have met your prince. You have met someone that sees you for the queen that you are, for the royalty that you are, and they would perform their best performance to win you over, but also stay so true to their self and their role in your life that performance, that honeymoon stage, it never went away. Is what I'm getting. Wow. And I'm also getting like, by you making this person work for your gift. And like I say, your gift is everything. It's more than just getting in your pants. It is just to truly be vulnerable with this person. It is truly to let down that emotional guard that you have over yourself, to like love somebody the way that you know you always wanted to love somebody, but others wasn't worth it. Okay, to give love a chance again. That's to give that this person know that they are working towards, and they have no problem doing it, is what I'm getting. They have no problem doing it. Messages of love. You can be receiving sweet messages, to from your person. Okay, you can be getting messages like this that is confirming how this person feels about you. Maybe you may feel like, am I being too hard on this person? No, it's gonna be a confirmation that no, you are making sure that this person comes and show up for you the way that you are deserving to be showed up for. Okay, and also, there's gonna be just a confirmation that this person really wants to make a promise to you, and truly keep that promise with everything that they're doing. Is what I'm getting. Wow. And look at this. It says let go of fear. I feel like this person, that's also like a thing with the walls coming down and unraveling you. Let go of the fear of what could go wrong. Let go of the fear of this could be a mistake if I choose to love again, is what I'm getting. I feel it says, for nothing you do or say can make me stop loving you. Oh, wow. Yeah. I really feel such a like a child. This can be part of your inner child healing again, or going back to a moment where that little girl in you didn't feel chosen. And now to see that little girl in you being chosen and to be in love correctly. Wow, that could be a thing. That's beautiful. Unwrap that gift, honey. Look at that, need you. I really feel like this person sees something in you that they do need. That's why this journey that you got them going on is not something that they're seeing as a punishment. They're seeing as something that is truly part of their soul mission to receive a lifetime love that is worthy. Okay? I love this. This is truly beautiful. All I kept getting when I started this message was unraveling and unwrapping this gift. And like the way this message is like flowing with these cards, I'm like, whoa, this is truly, truly beautiful. Radiant positivity. Yeah. This person make you feel good. That's why I was getting with the softness. This person make you feel really good. Yeah. I feel like this person show you that they're grateful for you with little things. That's why I was saying like the things that you need around the house, just like lighten up your load, you know? Wow, mutual respect is coming through as well. That's why I was getting like this person value how you respect yourself. The way that you have self-respect and self-value, I feel like it's also something that keeps them intrigued, you know? I love that. You let them know what it is that you need, what it is that you want, what it is that you're going to accept. And it's like to someone else, they probably like, oh dang. But I feel like with this person you're calling in, honey, that's like a small thing to a giant. And I love this because period. Mm. But yeah, open arms. Like I'm getting like you can be like this hard rock type of thing, or this really tight bow, and they are this warmness of gooey of love, and it's like melting all over you, and you're just like, you know. That is such a like a weird analogy, but I just like that's what I'm getting. And they just like covering you with so much warmness and like putting their gooey love in your hard cracks and like or it's like getting in between that really tight knot of this bow that you got wrapped around you, and it's like everything just loosening up, everything is just falling right in place, never falling apart. Okay, amen. Okay, but this is so beautiful. Let's see what love messages they have for you. Okay. It says, without you, my life, I feel so lost. My emotions for you have always been intense. Mm, I love, love, love this. I just got a notification. Oh, maybe like communication is coming through, y'all. I love this. Let's see one more card. I had to see what that was about, y'all. I'm like, huh. You are my light in my darkness. Yeah, I love that. I always been afraid of this love. This could be you being afraid of a love that feels so safe, a love that feels so aligned, and all of a sudden, this screen like it just got super bright. But that's what I'm getting. This person like brightens you up, lightens you up. Okay, and I absolutely love this for you. But I am Aries Bentley. I am cheering for you. The universe is definitely cheering for you. And I will see your beautiful self very, very soon.